Alright, so this is the Starlight Clay. It is 1,455 square feet. This particular model right now is set up to be an office, so there are a little bit different furnishings than you would normally have. As you see, the granite countertops. I was actually just informed that the refrigerator will come included. You'll also have, of course, the microwave and everything. These are the secondary bedrooms. Nice size. Secondary bath. Living area here. Over into the master bedroom. Very nice size. Also, it's nice that it's tucked into the back here. Nice size walk-in closet. Like that little addition there. And then, of course, the ensuite as well. And something that I really like on this particular model is the covered back porch area as well. Yeah, we scanning like a laser. Escrow closing early. We don't ever need a delay. All right. So that is the Starlight Clay. Again, 1,455 square feet.